Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing Hiver. In this video, we're going to explore Hiver's Apps module and see how it brings major CRM, project management, and e-commerce tools like NetSuite, Salesforce, Jira, Shopify, and more right within one workspace. So your team isn't jumping between 5 tabs just to answer one customer email. Let's get started. Head over to the Hiver admin panel. Then go to Apps. This is the central place where you can discover, connect, and manage all your integrations. Let me show you how easily you can set these up. We'll start with Salesforce as an example. Click on the Salesforce app. Review the capabilities of the Salesforce Hiver integration, and when you're ready, click Start Setup. Next, click to authenticate. In the new tab that opens, log into Salesforce and approve the requested permissions. In the Setup tab, select the shared inboxes and user roles that should have access to Salesforce data. Once you save and enable it, your app setup is complete. This is how apps can be connected to Hiver with a simple, guided, one-click authentication flow. Once your apps are connected and enabled, you can also control the visibility of the cards and their fields from the app's visibility settings. Click on the eye icon to configure card visibility, which shared inboxes will show Salesforce cards and which members of those inboxes can see them. Then you configure field visibility, which Salesforce fields should appear beside conversations inside Hiver. While the standard integration offers comprehensive functionality out of the box, Hiver also provides advanced customization through our support team. Your organization can request custom field mapping to tailor the integration to your specific workflows. Now, let's look at how you actually use these apps inside Hiver. When you open an email in Hiver, the Apps panel on the right shows relevant CRM data instantly. In the case of Salesforce, you can view information related to accounts, opportunities, cases, and contacts. All of these gives you instant context to resolve the query without leaving your inbox. If a lead, opportunity, contact, or account doesn't exist in Salesforce, you can create it directly from Hiver. Click the plus icon in the Apps panel, select the object type, fill in the fields, and click Create. If the right record isn't visible, you can also search and link it manually. Type keywords in the search bar to find CRM records from within Hiver. Hiver recommends smart suggestions based on the email content. Select the record and click Link to attach it to the conversation. You can additionally use the Sync Conversation option on any email. Choose the specific Salesforce record to log the conversation against. And the selected email, along with all future replies in that thread, will be automatically synced to Salesforce. You can also use deep links present in the cards to open those records in Salesforce for deeper information. With Salesforce connected to Hiver, you can also set up automation rules to assign conversations to the right owner, create leads and cases in Salesforce, and log emails in Salesforce. That's Salesforce inside Hiver. Now let's quickly see how other apps work similarly. For NetSuite, you can view detailed finance and operations data for each conversation from the Apps panel in Hiver. View information such as invoices, sales orders, customers, vendors, and contact details. Click any card to view complete details. Use deep links to open those records in NetSuite for deeper information. Search NetSuite records and fields directly from the Apps panel and link them to conversations. And finally, you can also hover over NetSuite identifiers such as invoice numbers, sales orders, or purchase order IDs in emails to see smart previews of the related details. Next, let's look at an e-commerce app. Integrating Shopify with Hiver bridges the gap between your e-commerce data and customer communication. From the Apps panel, you can access order list, customer info, orders info, and line item details right beside the conversation. Use deep links in the information cards to jump into the related entity in Shopify. You can also search for Shopify details in Hiver to quickly find the right order or customer and link it to the conversation. Moreover, hover over order numbers in the email body or subject line to instantly preview relevant details from Shopify. Hiver Apps also connects customer communication with project management, so your team can collaborate without switching tools. For example, if your team uses Jira, you can create new Jira issues directly from Hiver. Click the plus icon, Select Create Jira Issue, add the details, and click Create. Going forward, you'll be able to view all past Jira issues for a customer right from the sidebar, including the summary, description, project, issue type, and status. You can also link existing Jira issues related to the customer or conversation by selecting the link icon, pasting the object ID or link, checking the preview, and clicking Link. And finally, you can use deep links to open Jira issues in a new tab whenever you need a deeper view. So that's Hiver's Apps module in action. Your team spends less time hunting for information and more time actually helping customers. Thanks for watching.